Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Baby's finally sleeping, so it means mommy can do some tutorials. So today we're gonna work on a bow. Christmas coming up, so I thought, do a couple of things here and there that you can use in different things. And this is very Christmassy. You can decorate lots of things with this, so I thought, why not? And because it's a component, I wanted to make it separately because I'm pretty sure I'll be using this a lot, so I don't have to repeat it in every tutorial. This is very simple in the making. It took me a while to get it right. Who would have thought making a bow with peyote could be so hard? It took me a couple times, but I finally got it and I'm pretty happy with it. So it ended up better than I thought it would be because now it's double-sided, so it looks same on both sides. So for this you're gonna need two colors of Delicas. For this one I used red and silver, and I'm using same red today. This is DB723, and then instead of silver today I'm gonna be using gold, and this is 1833. So two Delica colors, or instead of Delicas you can use rounds. I suppose it will look bigger, a bit different, but it will be the same shape. Then you're gonna need thread. I'm gonna be using this thread. Everybody loved this in the last tutorial because it's so bright and you can see what I'm doing. So I might stick to it for a while. And this is Miyuki color 24. All the stuff you can find in my shop. And then beading needle size 10, and then scissors. That's all the materials you need. I'm gonna thread my needle with about a yard and then we'll get to work. So I have my thread ready. I'm gonna pick up 6 red Delicas. So the main color we are using red. You can use any color you want, but I thought I want to make everything look Christmassy as it's coming up. So I pick up 6 red Delicas. Now you can use a stop bead if you want, but when I'm doing small peyote, I don't really bother with stop bead because I can just hold it in place with my finger. I'm gonna leave a tail of about 6 inch, and then what I do, I just hold it in place like so. Or you can have a stop bead at the end if that's easier for you. Pick up a Delica. Skip the first bead, go through the second one. Pick up a Delica. See your threads coming out of? Skip the first bead, go through the next. Pick up a Delica. Skip the next bead and go through the last. And here what I do, I just make it look like peyote. That's all. On one side I'm gonna hold the tail, and here I'm just gonna continue my peyote. Pick up a Delica, go through the sticking out bead. Pick up a Delica, go through the sticking out bead. Pick up a Delica, go through the sticking out bead, like so. Flip it over and repeat. Pick up a Delica, go through the sticking out bead. Pick up a Delica, go through the sticking out bead. Pick up a Delica, go through the sticking out bead. And then flip it over and repeat. So basically you are doing a strip of peyote. I made mine 6 centimeters, which is about 2.5 inch, slightly less. And once you have that, I'm gonna meet you back here. Now you can make it longer or shorter. It depends how bigger or smaller you want your bow. But I think this is a perfect size. So once I have my 6 centimeters, I'll meet you back here. Now I have about 6 centimeter stretch going on. Now from here, what I'm gonna do, so basically we have to make a corner like this. So from here we want to create like a corner like so. So I don't want to add a bit here, so instead I'm gonna go through this, up, and through this one up, like so. Now next one down, and next one up, and here continue peyote. Pick up a Delica, go through the next. Pick up a Delica, go through the next. Pick up a Delica, go back here. Pick up a Delica, go back here. Again, I don't want to add a bead here, so I'm gonna go next bead up. See, I'm down here, the neighbor bead, I'm gonna go up, then one bead here up, next bead down, and next bead up, like so. Pick up a Delica, go through the next, pick up a Delica, go back here, like so. See? And then I'm gonna show you how to repeat the same thing on the other side. So I'm just gonna change my needle. So on the next side, we want to make sure we go that way as well. So here I am. Next bead up. This bead up. This bead down. This bead up. Pick up a Delica, go through the next. Pick up a Delica, go through the next. Pick up a Delica, go backwards. Pick up a Delica, go back here. Again, go up this bead, go up this bead, go down this one, go up this one, pick up a Delica, go up here, pick up a Delica, go back here. So this is what we have. Now go ahead, make exactly the same thing. So you want to have two of these. And now we have both of them ready. We'll take, well, we have to do this before both. Basically take one side and fold it. Now on the shorter side, you want to have approximately 1 centimeter. Doesn't really matter. You can always eye it, or if you want to be specific, you can just have 1 centimeter here, but I'm just eyeing it approximately like this. And, wait, that's where my needle is. So here I am, see, like so, with approximately 1 centimeter there. Oh, maybe a bit less. Yep, like so. So, see where my thread is? It doesn't really matter how you attach it as long as it's attached. So here I am. I'm gonna go through a bead here at the bottom part. Like so. And then I'm gonna take my needle through this bit here. As long as it's attaching to the bottom part, doesn't matter how, and as long as it looks neat. And that's all you need. And through the last top bit here. So this is what you need, right? So it's connected. Go ahead, do the same thing with the second one. So I went ahead, folded both of them, attached them, got rid of all the tails apart from one on here, which was the longest tail. And now it's time to make our bow. So what to do? This one, I'm gonna put it at an angle like so. This one, flip it over, put it at an angle, bring down here. See? That you bring right across that edge. See? And if you flip it over, you will see, so like so. If you flip it over, it's identical image. So this goes right next to that edge, and here right next to that edge. So, you know, perfectly comes together. So it's just a matter of attaching them together. So I'm gonna do that. So take my needle, see where it's coming, make sure it's properly in place, like so. And I'm gonna take my needle down this one, up next one, like so. So it's next to this one here, so I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna go down here, go up there, go this one up, go this one down, this one up, and this one up. Now this side attached, flip it around. Now this side is not attached, so to do that, see where I am? I'm gonna go down there. So basically that's where you are. You want to go down here, up there, like so. Flip it over, bring down here, bring up there, down this bit here, this bit up, here. I'm gonna go down third beat, down this one, up this one, and I'm gonna go, I think, the last one, down, and here. And that's basically it. And all you want to do is just tie off the tail. So I'm gonna go up one, go down here, and just bring down the other side. That's me. Cut the tail. Just straighten things out. And look, the bow is ready. This one looks neater because here I used red thread, while here I used bright blue. But they look pretty much the same. Now it's time to make this. Now you don't have to complicate things and do it with seed beads. If you have ribbons, you can just tie a ribbon around, or you have some, I don't know, shiny thread or whatnot. But I'm gonna do it Delicas. So I'm gonna, I think this thread is actually might be enough. I have 6 inches here, so I'm gonna just, no, it's not enough. So I'm gonna thread my needle with the yard, and then we'll get to work. So now I'm gonna pick up 2 Delicas. I'm using gold this time. So drop it down and leave a tail of about 2-3 inches. That's enough just to sew it in later. And then pick up a Delica, go up second bead. We're basically doing peyote with just 2 rows. Like so. Pick up a Delica, go back, like so. Pick up a Delica, go back up, pick up a Delica, go back down, and continue like so. And you have to continue until you have enough strip to go around and meet at the back. So I think I have enough. So I'm gonna put this across like so. And then if you bring 2 ends, it's a bit fiddly, but if you bring 2 ends, they should be zipping up. So like so, bring the ends together, see where my thread's coming out of. I'm gonna go through the sticking out bit here on this side. Fiddly. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it so. Coming out here, I'm gonna go through the sticking out bead on this side. Okay. And then back sticking out bit where your threads are initially coming out of, so pull them together and just basically reinforce whatever you're doing here. Pull them together. See? That's basically it. Now go ahead, get rid of the tails. So our Christmas bows are ready. Look at them, so gorgeous. Very simple, you know, you can attach them to anything, make everything look Christmassy. And if you use different colors, you can use it for different purposes. It's just I'm calling them Christmas bows because I think I might be doing some Christmas ornaments and I'll be using this to make them nicer. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video if you did. Make sure to leave your comments if you have any. Make sure to join the group. I have a Facebook group called Kara's Beaders. All the links are in the description box. All the links for materials, links to my shop, links to my Instagram, everything's there. So make sure to check out the description box. It's below the video. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.